Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to do a tutorial of VI editor in Linux. So let's get started. Okay, first in the Linux we open the terminal and we use the document directory. So in the document directory we have the exercise.txt file. So to see the txt file, we type cat exercise.txt to see the content. Okay, that is the content in it, and then we are going to get into the VI editor. So we type VI and the name of the file that we want to edit. Okay, so this is the content in the exercise.txt file. So we are going to press X to delete the character at the cursor. Okay, and then we can also press DW to delete the word of the right of the cursor, like that. And we can also undo what we have done by pressing U. Okay, and then we can press 3DW to delete 3 words, like that. Okay, and then we can also undo it again by pressing U, and then we can press DD to delete line that where is the cursor. Okay, and then press U to undo it again. Okay, so that and then the last is 3DD to delete 3 lines. Okay, and 3 lines have been deleted, and we undo it again. Okay, so that is the delete commands. And then we can also press CW to change one word or part of the word at the right of the cursor. So we press CW and we are in insert command, and then we press the word that we want, and then to save it we press ESC to get into the command mode. And same goes for 3CW command, but it will delete 3 words at one time. Next, we can also press R to replace one character at the cursor with another new one character. And then we press YY to copy the line with the cursor at. And then we can press O to open a new line below the cursor. So in the new line, we press P to paste the line that we already copied earlier. Now to save the changes of the file, press :W and we press enter. And to exit from VI editor, press :Q and enter. Now we can use the cat command to display the content of the file that we edit in the VI editor. So that's it for the VI editor commands. Thank you.